there's a W hotel in that iconic shape. And right next to that, there was a beach and also a building. And I think our hotel will be somewhere around that side. Our main hotel, will be somewhere a little bit around there. I just saw it. And I also saw something that looked like Coutinho, the famous tourist thing of Sagrada Familia. It's like an unfinished.
How far is the hotel from the airport?
I think 15 minutes or something.
50.
1-5. No. Like 15, 20 minutes. I think Christmas Eve, I don't think we should expect much of road traffic. I hope not. It's Sunday after all. So maybe not much road traffic. At Christmas, we are going one place, so we're not going to this. We are going to one nice place. It's called Park Well. At least that's open. Let's get more information from the hotel. At least just to see what we can plan, and you can decide what you would like to see and what you would not like to see. It's also going to leave some things up to you. But Sagrada Familia, you've got to come because that is something you can't miss when you come. That's a park you can't miss. Oh, not good. Right? Looks nice, right? Ask your mom. Mama, not there. Joseph Terradolis, Barcelona El Prat.
Wir hoffen, Ihnen hat der Aufenthalt bei uns aber gefallen und wir wünschen Ihnen hier in Barcelona noch einen schönen Abend, gutes Fest oder gegebenenfalls eine angenehme und vor allem sichere Weiterreise. Nochmals vielen Dank, bis zum nächsten Mal. Bleiben Sie gesund und wieder. Dear passengers, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign above the audio has been switched off. We have later the crew would like to take some duty to clean the traveling with the sunlight. We hope you enjoyed this recording with us. We wish you a nice day in Barcelona or vicinity. Happy holidays, not in case of the pleasant and of course. Until next time, thanks again. Goodbye.
Do you speak Spanish? Yeah.
No, it tells you got to put it like this. You got to put it like this. It doesn't say you cannot open it. Put it like this. That is the photograph.
Ayo, David.